After you finish watching this Home Assistant Ubiquiti UniFi video, you will be able to do presence detection, block network access for any clients, check bandwidth and uptime sensors, and more. Everything that you will need is Home Assistant and UniFi network equipment. Coming up! Hello, KPeyanski here. Let's clear this before we move forward. If you have Ubiquiti UniFi equipment, but you don't have Home Assistant, check this video. And if you have Home Assistant, but you don't have any UniFi equipment, you can check this video about the UniFi Dream Machine, which is all-in-one product. If you have both things, then we can continue. The Home Assistant UniFi integration is rated as Platinum. That means best of the best possible integration. And it also means that it should be super fast and with excellent user experience. We are going to verify that by trying to control the UniFi clients and by doing presence detection from Home Assistant. Later in the video, we will also create some Home Assistant UniFi automations. But let's start with the integration first. Go to Configuration, Integrations. It is possible the UniFi integration to be auto-discovered by Home Assistant. In that case, you just have to click on Configure button of the integration. Otherwise, you should add the UniFi integration manually, which is also super easy. Add integration and search for UniFi, Ubiquiti UniFi, and click on it. Enter the IP of your UniFi controller, in my case it's this one, the username, or the email that you are using to log in. The user that you're entering here needs to have administrator privileges in your UniFi controller for best results. And your UniFi password. Leave everything else as it is and click Submit. Success! Click on Finish. And here it is. I have 41 devices and 42 entities. Click on the Options button, and here you can fine-tune your UniFi integration by selecting or deselecting these options. Have in mind that some options are only available when Advanced Mode is enabled on your user profile page. I will leave everything as it is. I'll only change this from 300 seconds to 30 seconds. This is the time that devices will be considered away. And I'll click Submit. To control network access for clients connected to UniFi from Home Assistant, you have to add them in the integration. Here is how you can do it. On the next page, you can select on which clients you wish to control their network access. I want Apple TV, for example, and I'll click Submit again, and I'll select both of these sensors, bandwidth and uptime sensors, and I'll click Submit again. Finish. As you can see, the entities are now a lot more than before. We can now add a Home Assistant card with a switch to block network access to whatever client we want, as well as bandwidth and uptime sensors. I can now click on the devices and I'll search for Apple TV and I'll click on it, and I'll add all of these sensors to my Home Assistant Lovelace. I'll move this a bit, and I'm ready. I can go to Overview, and this is my new card. Apple TV is currently at home. I can block the Apple TV network access from this switch, the RX and TX, that's received and sent megabytes, and the current uptime. Unfortunately, the uptime sensor is not working out of the box. Actually, it is working, but you have to create another template sensor from it. This is how you can do it. To fix the Apple TV uptime sensor, I have to edit my configuration.yaml file a bit. This is where the Home Assistant configuration is stored. And I'll add this YAML file, actually a new sensor, from the platform template with this friendly name. This will be the entity name, and
it will get the current Apple TV uptime, this one, and it will add several splits to this uptime sensor right here. That's it, it's not very complicated. The important part here, if you have a sensor section, you have to paste only the last 5 rows. If you don't have a sensor section, add the whole section like I just did. And save the file. Okay, go to configuration, server controls, and restart your Home Assistant. After Home Assistant is restarted, I can edit the card and I can add the new template sensor. I'll search for Apple TV uptime. Here it is. And from what you can see here,
Hey, if you are new here, consider subscribing. Now let's continue.
I have a real uptime, 13 hours and 36 minutes instead of thousands of weeks from the native uptime sensor. I'll just hit save, and here it is. The uptime sensor is working. I can now remove the old one because it brings a no value. Perfect.
Let's create a Home Assistant person and track this person using the device tracker functionality.
I'll go to configuration and I'll search for people section. I can add a lot of person from this button, but I'll edit my current username, which is automatically added as a person, and I'll click on it and I'll just pick a device to track. When this device is at home, I'll consider this person at home as well. If the device is away, this person will be also away. I can add also a picture if I wish, and I'll search for my phone. Here it is. I can also add another device trackers like GPS trackers that the companion app is having, but I'll leave it like that for now and I'll click update.
Beware that presence detection depends on accurate time synchronization between Home Assistant and the UniFi controller. If time differs, you can expect issues, so set your clocks right.
From now on, when my phone is at home, that means connected to my Wi-Fi, person Kiril will also be at home. Pretty simple but pretty useful.
We have presence detection, we can control network access, and we have sensors in Home Assistant thanks to the UniFi integration. The only thing that is missing is smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done that already. When you are done with this easy but important task, for which I will be thankful forever, we can continue further and we can put everything together in an automation.
I'll go to configuration, automations, and I'll add an automation, empty automation. The name will be if Apple TV uptime is 10 seconds and Kiril is away. You can type whatever you wish. The trigger will be state and the entity will be the template uptime sensor that we added before. This is the correct one. This is the native uptime, which is not useful for this automation. And the time will be 0 hours, 0 minutes and 10 seconds. I'll add a condition. The condition will be device. The device will be my phone. And Kiril is not home. And the action will be call service, switch turn off, and the entity will be Apple TV switch. This switch will be turned off. So again, if the uptime of the Apple TV is 10 seconds, and if Kiril is not home, turn off the Apple TV network access switch. That's it. I'll click save.
That way you can make any sort of nasty, useful automations that blocks internet access of any devices of your choice when something happens at your smart home.
I'll go to the overview section of Home Assistant to see what's going on better. And I'll block the Apple TV network access from this switch in order to reset my uptime counter. And I'll disable the Wi-Fi on my phone to simulate that person Kiril is not at home. And after 30 seconds, Kiril will go away because I said that in the beginning when I configured the UniFi integration. I'll fast forward this. Okay, person Kiril is now away. And if I enable the Apple TV network access from this switch, the uptime counter will be reset from 0, and when it reaches 10 seconds, this switch will be turned off again. So let's see that. The counter restarted. 10 seconds and it's working. All conditions of the automation are now met and everything is fine. Exactly as we wanted. Great.
And with that being said, make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to add me on Twitter by searching for this username. I'm trying to post there frequently. You can also find me on my Discord server as well. Stay safe and don't forget, home smart but not hard. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.